One thing about having lots of trees on your property is you have lots of trees on your property. So whenever there's a major storm with a lot of wind, a lot of these tree branches come down. Well, that's what I'm back here doing today. Today's, guys, I want to talk about the plumbing. It was last October. I did a video back here talking about the plumbing, and I want to talk about the sticks that's in my yard, and I want to talk about my my walkthrough of my 2023 Equinox. Okay, so that's what today's video is about. Multiple things. But right now, let me put this back in my Ring camera and get some work done, and I see when I'm pretty much done, kind of. Hey, pretty much what you're seeing right here is only my third load. Yes, it is definitely the third wagon load, and it's my third trip of grabbing big logs out of the yard. So now we're gonna go down and see what I can do with the weed eater that I could not do in October, and see if I get some of the shrubbery down. Take the camera with me, so I'm gonna show you guys some stuff down there. Yeah, back in last October when I was back here, I was preparing for spring for now. Everything I did was for naught. Only one thing I'm thankful I did back in October was cut a major bush down over there. But this part right here, I'm gonna see if my weed eater goes through it. I got a feeling it's not going to, but we're gonna give it a shot, just the same. Okay, oh, I got sweat in my eyes. What I noticed was I did weed eat some of it down, but what I noticed, that's where the deer's been laying down at. Yeah, sorry if the camera wasn't on me, guys. That's where the deer's been laying. So I'm feeling bad for taking it up, because if I knew the deer laid there and that was their sleeping place, I wouldn't touch it. I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole, no, because that's theirs. All right, guys, I'm gonna wipe the sweat off my eyes, get a drink of water, and you and I are gonna take a trip to the other side of the yard. See how many logs and tree limbs are over there. I'm not taking the wagon with me over here because I'm taking a chance. I don't see a lot of stuff. No, I'm not seeing a lot. I only see one tree limb down, and I'm gonna pick it up now. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about the plumbing, okay, guys, for a little bit. Let me grab down and grab this. There we go. Big tree limb. And we'll take it right down yonder here and throw it in a pile. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything over here. I got very lucky. That side of my yard, nothing. All right, guys, let me throw this over here and I'll be back. Okay, if you guys are brand new to my channel and you haven't watched me for any length of time, over the many years, ever since we bought this house here, we've had nothing but plumbing problems. Repeatedly. So last March of 2022, I had a good portion of my yard dug up and replacing a pipe. Well, they didn't fix it. Only to find out towards the end of the summer, I had a major leak again. So I had to get another outfit out here to go to the other side of my yard, way down there, and dig up and replace another part of my pipe. Well, guess what? It's still working. The first outfit out here that came, dug up this piece right here all the way to the wood line. It was over $12,000. And they said the problem was fixed. It wasn't at all. It was another part of my pipe down yonder there that needed to be fixed too. So I called in another outfit. Now the first outfit said they can do it, but they was gonna charge me $25,000. I pulled in another local outfit out here, and he pretty much did it. Yeah, if you wonder what I was just doing right there, want to see if there's blood on my hands because the tree limb caught me over there. But they only charged me $2,500 to do it, where the other outfit was going to say $25,000. So after all the years of living here, having plumbing problems, I learned something. It was the worst in spring and fall. Well, right now it's spring, although we're just starting in spring. But so far, it's okay, guys. So far, I ain't got no leaks. Thank God. Because you have no idea how much of a nightmare that's been. I've been dealing with this. Well, we moved in here in 2004, 2005, and it's 2023 now. I got it done in 2022, so all them years, pretty much about 3 or 4 times a year. Hell, one year I was out here every freaking other weekend trying to unclog it. Yeah, I tried it myself. I knew eventually I had to get it dug up. So guys, that's my plumbing problem. So far, it's a-okay. Let's get on to my backyard. I'm gonna tell you a little secret. I am done in the back part of here for now. I'm gonna return back here probably this Friday to mow. It's ready for a mow, yes. Later on today, I got that problem to deal with. Yeah, I won't put that on video because that's embarrassing. The windstorms ripped underneath my deck and underneath what we call the Florida room, which is Elizabeth's room, ripped all the insulation and the Gladys panels, ripped them down, and it's everywhere up there. But I'm not gonna be able to do that until later on today because I need my boys' help on that one. Yeah, I definitely do. But right now, I'm done for here. Now, I have anxiety back here. Yes, and that's the thing I'm gonna let go of a little secret on, and I'm not ashamed to say it. It's one of the places, it's mine. I own this. This is my paradise. At least it used to be. Now, I still got more tree branches and everything on the side to get down, but I do that later on today. Now I gotta wheel this big wagon up this big hill. Very steep hill. So we're gonna stop every so often and take a break. It was either last summer, no, it was the summer before last. I was back here mowing and I overdid it. I started getting severe chest pains. It was one of them summers that was bitter hot and my butt should have never been back here mowing, but guess what? I did anyway. As you can see right there, that's some of the installation or some of the plastic that was underneath the Gladys panels. That's what got ripped off in the last storm we had too. So I got that to clean up, and even worse than that, underneath my deck. It is a nightmare underneath there. Holy smokes. That is one hill to pull up a wagon on. Oh, it's my fishing wagon, by the way. Okay, take us a little break back here. But yeah, that wore me out a little bit. Guys, that's straight up the hill. Pulling a wagon that has a little bit of everything in it. I took too much stuff down with me. But yeah, I had chest pains and it scared the crap out of me. I had to stop my mowing dead in my tracks and slowly come up topside. Chest pains went away. It's to be expected, guys. See, when I had my heart attack, there's still part of my heart that was never ever healed. Only way I can say it is broke, okay? So whenever I overdo it, that happens to me. And it gave me some serious anxiety back there. So whenever I'm back there, I start getting a little tuckered, my anxiety kicks in. It scares me. Yeah. And the only way to overcome that is keep doing it repeatedly. But this time, do not be foolish and try to mow grass in the heat of the day. I thought I could handle it at the time. Me being a walker and everything, no. I'm only human. All right, guys, let me get some of this stuff put back in the shed. And my wagon broke down. And I'll be back. It's not really hot out here. It's just very humid. And humidity, you sweat a lot. But guys, see this little stick right here? This was one of them things we got from, I think, Walgreens. And we're gonna go inside my shed. So I'm gonna keep it out here somewhere if I can. And that's what I used to pick up a lot of sticks off the ground so I didn't have to bend over. I think that was pretty smart of me. And I have no idea where to hang it at my shed. So I just put it right over here in the corner. That's right. Got a little bit of everything in this shed. Pretty soon, I'll be doing a review on this shed. The 1-year review, yes. Put my lawnmower back. And guys, let's talk about my brand spanking new 2023 Chevrolet Equinox. Because the vehicle is much bigger than the other two, I am parking on the back part of my driveway. But it's much bigger than Elizabeth's car and Justin's car. Oh, I hate living on a busy road, guys. I'm sorry about the traffic noises. Let's sit down. I'm also going to take the cam that I have in my secret location, which I can tell you guys now where it was at. It was underneath my deck. And move it over there and keep an eye on that vehicle. It's not because of the neighbors. It's not because anybody lives around me. It's just because sometimes on my road, people walk up and down and they like to break into vehicles. Or they like to do damage to vehicles. It has nothing to do with the neighbors here, no. Because their cars get broken into as well. It's just that way I keep an eye on it, and I got the perfect little tree to hang it from. I was gonna put the camera up front here to get, but nah, I decided against that. All right, guys, pretty much it's been more of an update video. And as far as my Equinox to walk through, I am still working on the guitar, guys. I tried to do some playing. What I need to do is hit that thing as much as I can. So I got to build the calluses up on my fingers. That's the problem. I know the chords. It's just my fingers are hurting so bad because they ain't got calluses. And I ain't got a whole bunch of time to practice on the guitar. And today is one of them days. It's my super busy day. As soon as I get done making this video, I'm headed inside to go do laundry. Then I have lunch. Then I'm going to go back and work underneath the deck and then the fenced-in part of the yard. Then I got an appointment at 1:30. I got to be somewhere to do something at 1:30. Then when I get back from that, then I'm going to edit you guys up. And then go to the store and get suppers. Then tomorrow morning, I go walk. So guys, that's it, y'all. Leave me comments. Give me a couple days. I do have the footage of the Equinox. I just need to put some type of music to the beginning half of it. And plus, I'm going to do the walkthrough probably all over again because I didn't do that good enough for y'all. I didn't do that good at all. I might keep some of the clips out of it, but not all of them. I just redo them. Till next time, come on, let's get out of here.